So friends, here we are. We are here into this wonderful world of Amrut Farm, and I am so happy to have with me here Shrikant Malde ji. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And Charmi ji. You know, they are the wonderful, I think, the proprietors and the main, visionaries behind this wonderful farm which we are going to witness. First of all, I will like to hand over this kaleidoscope to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you,
This
sir.
is the essence of our channel. इसमें आप जब देखेंगे, when you watch, through this kaleidoscope, you will see different colors of life,
yes.
and that is what we try to present to all our viewers.
Yes.
So, a little bit about yourself, sir.
So I'm Shrikant Malde. I am an ex-software engineer and now a full-time dairy farmer. We have started this wonderful journey called Amrut Dairy Farm before 3 years, and it has been a wonderful journey, typical startup, but not in the tech world but in the agricultural world. We started off with 4 cows, and as of now we have 80 plus cows, and we have a range of products like milk, ghee, butter, paneer, and etc., and also a range of fertilizers and pesticides made totally out of organic dung and
Wow,
urine.
this is so wonderful. मैं जब इस ट्रिप के लिए आ रहा था और श्रीकांत जी के बारे में मेरे थॉट्स चल रहे थे, I was thinking about someone called Shahrukh Khan of Swadesh, which says that going back to the roots, going back to your country from a software engineer where he could have done something globally, he is back to the roots and serving the farmland. That's a wonderful thought.
you.
Before we take this story ahead, a little bit about yourself, Charmi ma'am.
Yes. I'm a chemical engineer basically, and I work as a professor in a college at Nadia. So he has been a motivating force behind me. So he is motivating in the sense that I too should get into all this, and we together can make the journey worthwhile. So yes, everything, nature and everything has a lot of importance in our lives. So yes, we want to contribute something to the world, something doing for the benefit of the society.
That is another wonderful thought. So love for each other and doing it together. मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं दर्शकों, जामनगर, जाम साहब के शहर से आए हुए ये दोनों, they are an example of what a Gujarati entrepreneur and mindset can do. I was hearing a bit thoughts about Shrikant ji. He mentioned a few words and said that it is passion, hard work, and trying to do something unique which is there. And they have been together for almost 7 years. Congratulations to both of you. They have been doing great things together, and I wish all the best to this initiative.
Thank you, sir.
Usually viewers को क्या लगता है जब कोई मूवी रिलीज होती है, पहले ही आप ये बताइए हीरो कौन है, हीरोइन कौन है, बाकी जो मेहनत है वो तो दिखती नहीं है. तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना आपको सबसे पहले हम यही दिखाएं कि what is Amrut Dairy Farm bringing to your doorstep. So if we can just be there for a while, sir, and if you can explain us के क्या है ये हमारे बीच में अभी.
So our main product is Gir Cow's A2 milk. We started off with that. We deliver in such glass bottles.
You can take it up, sir. Just show it to the viewers. Okay.
And so basically this is Gir Cow's A2 milk, totally raw, unprocessed, unpasteurized, and it gets delivered to a customer's doorstep in 2 to 3 hours of milking. So it's as fresh, as raw, as pure as it can be. And then we also started Gir Cow Bilona ghee. So this is basically the ghee made out of old Bilona method, which basically uses all the milk, converts it to curd, then through the culture, and then using that Bilona, the makhan is made, chash is separated, and from the makhan the ghee is made. So this is a real ghee, the ghee that Ayurveda has numerous mentions of, and the real ghee which really makes a difference to your health. Then we also do paneer and makhan on demand as per our customers' needs. Then gradually we also ventured out into cow dung products. So all these articles that you see out here, so Charmi is the brainchild behind this. She has made numerous products out of these cow dung articles. We have diyas, we have Ganesh and Lakshmi murtis, we have a cow idol totally made out of cow dung, we have mobile stand, and a number of other products. We also make organic fertilizers and pesticides out of organic so cow dung and cow urine. And not a single drop of water or drop of liquid goes waste outside of this farm. All of it is utilized, value added, and marketed to the right audience.
So गौ माता का जो है हमारे हिंदू धर्म में उसकी एक खास जगह है. कहा जाता है कि उनके बने हुए प्रोडक्ट से अगर हम लोग अपने लाइफ के पूरे पैशन को फॉलो करेंगे, लाइफस्टाइल को फॉलो करेंगे, देन देयर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स बिकॉज इट कम्स आउट ऑफ pure, you know, warmth of motherhood, and it is safe from every kind of diseases and viruses.
Yeah.
We have to just understand the beauty of it.
Yeah.
Well, Charmi ji, this is so wonderful. इस बार गणपति में भी काफ़ी सारी इस तरह की बातचीत हो रही थी कि आप पुराने तरह के जो है गणपति की मूर्तियों को हटाकर, बिकॉज कोरोना में आप उसको कहाँ डालेंगे, और जो हम देखते हैं, it has been so badly handled. Tell us a little bit about this wonderful Ganpati Murti that has been created.
Yes, so they are basically made from cow dung only. 80% of it is cow dung, and around 20% is some binding material. Again, that is a natural one, like methi powder, or you can say guar gum or something like that. And then it turns out to be totally eco-friendly. Once the Visarjan is done, you can then directly use it in your pots or plants somewhere, so that works as a fertilizer. Again, then once we found that yes, people are attracted towards it because everyone is asking for eco-friendly products these days, so then we tried our hands on some Diwali products. So like we had made diyas, dhoop sticks, shubh labh, charan paduka, etc. So yes, and then now we are still working on the products, like we want to make something where the utility is more. We can concentrate on the utility and the products which can be used around the year.
That is another so interesting